Good morning, Joel. How we doing? Yep, I'm back. Oh, I don't even know how long it's been. How long has it been? Let me see. How have you been? Let's see. Okay, it's only been like 3 weeks or so. God, it feels like longer, honestly. I feel like I've been streaming forever. Almost a month without live streaming. Yeah, it feels like longer, honestly. How's your trading been going? I've just been really trying to figure some shit out lately. I've been going through it, honestly, but had a good wrap up to last week. Kind of figured where I want my shit to be. It's all risk. It's all about like because you can have the same idea for 5 different things, but it's like how big you want your stop to be and how big you want your take profit to be, and it's just like the management of risk. It really is. If you want to go scalper or like scalpy, or if you want to do like longer holds and stuff like that. So I think I found what I want to do, which is good. I'm also going to YOLO some Apex evals that open here, which I want to short, but I don't really have a reason to. They're just fucking going up. We're at a pivot point. We're at the EMA. Yeah, I might try this short here. Let's see. You watch me blow 10 eva, or what is it, like 6
Hello?
evals?
Hello?
Hello?
Uh,
Speak? No? Okay, cool.
Hello?
Hello. There we go. Looking for longs above 25,400. I don't know if we get any longer than that.
Discord had like an update and it fucking made me sign in and I didn't know my password and stuff and then
Uh,
it's changed all my freaking audio stuff. Are you streaming today?
yep.
I thought I heard you like you were
I
like
gotta do
talking.
something with these Apex evals right here at open too. I kind of want to short, but we're ripping higher. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we start off the week good. That's always fun to blow accounts right on the opening Monday morning bell.
Order submitted. Order filled. Orders. Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. And it only worked in one account. Awesome. Okay. Let me take out that one.
Why are you on ratio?
I'm always on ratio. I mean, it does no difference if they're all on one anyways. But it just didn't fill me in the right spots or whatever. Oh, good morning, Raven. How we doing? How we doing? Hmm. Uh,
Order submitted.
just trying to pass some of these. You make like $100. Not good, not good. God, why couldn't it all just passed and it would have been nice and good Monday to start?
You're not in a big size.
Yeah. There we go. It's a good candle. Well, what's gonna be? Come on. Flip it.
Order filled.
Alright, that made me pass on two more. What do I got? I got 18, 20, and 21. God, this is a burden. This is a burden. There's a 19. Good. 22 is good. So it's 18, 20, 21. I knew we were going short. I knew it. Jesus, we're really flashed up in here. I don't know how many cons to do now because I don't need the full amount.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh. They're gonna blow these or pass them. Looks like I'm gonna blow them. Please, no. What do I need for this one? I need like $500. $550.
Order filled.
Okay, another one passed. We're doing good. We're doing good. Oh, no, I'm $10 short. Awesome. You know how this goes.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, alrighty. Okay. Which ones are good here? This is such a fucking burden. You made $1,200 on 13 micros? Damn. She's balling. 13 micros? Heavy fucking size. Good lord. Fuck. I got so much to do right now. I gotta enter my cash secured put on Amazon. Trying to pass these. Let's see. Trade options. December 19th. There we go. Perfect. Trading on the 100 case. How come? Just wanted to switch it up? You wanted to be able to trade heavier size or what?
Well, they also had their deal. If you got the deal, like, you can
Yeah,
see
but
what
that's the
you'd
thing. I
want.
still don't even know what the benefit of
I don't really think
like
there's a.
like it doesn't seem any better. All right, what do we got? So 2219. No, 2019.
You got a 2219?
It's a 2319.
I know, but it just sounded so similar. I had to say it.
2019 and 2022 are both $10 off.
Order filled.
Okay. All right.
Target filled.
Okay. So now it's just. I hope you lose. Oh, thank you, AJ. What a sweetheart. Nice to see you too. Did you end up trading 20, or did you get 20 Apex accounts to YOLO, or no? Oh, nice. I was on the right account, so I just made more money in an account I didn't need to make. Awesome. God, this
Good
is
work.
such a burden. I hate doing this shit. 2019, 2022.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, those ones are good. So now I'm missing one. 2021. 221. 221. Oh, what do I need? What do I need? I need...
Order filled.
$100.
Stop filled.
I need $140.
Order filled.
Come on. There we go. Alright, mission
Stop
success. Mission success. Passed all 6 that I bought. Oh. Because they ping ponging. It's for evals. It doesn't count 12. All right. Alrighty, those are passed. Now let's. Did you roll over, Johnny, or no?
I usually just like it would. I don't think it pops up for me anymore.
Really? What? It just auto rollovers?
Yeah.
I just do whatever one
I
IQ is based off. I think I'm rolling over.
I usually
like,
wait
tomorrow.
until like hat switches. Honestly.
They're close right now, but I'm still on the December contracts. What about you guys? Are you guys on the December contracts, or did you guys switch over to what is it, like March or something?
It would be March. No, I usually stay on it until.
Okay, let's go MNQ. Alright, I think we're all set. Oh. God, that was a fucking burden and a half. Okay. We Gucci. Alrighty. You think I'm done for the day? I would be too. Was that on evals or was that on like the PAs? Both one eval, one PA. I got you. So what did you say your reasoning was for going for 100K? So I just feel like it's worse. You just have to like make more on the evals, and then you like can barely even take out any more. Like what is 100K? So you can take out 2,500 or something like that instead of 2,000, but you have to make way more. Just doesn't seem worth it to me. It just seems like the 25K is the best, and then like just progressively get worse. Which, to be fair, maybe that means I should be trading the 25Ks, but just because of the pricing on Apex, right? But like, the pricing was the same, but like, what is the benefit? That's what. I was like, whatever. I didn't even think about it. Oh, I got you. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. Or if we're just gonna flush out to these 230 level. Oh man. Well, I mean, yeah, but you have to trade less size or whatever, obviously. Like, you're not going to trade 13 micro. I don't even know if you can trade 13 micros on a 25K. But 25K is the best, because what is the buffer?
Yeah, you can. You can trade like 10 minis on a freaking 50K.
Oh, really?
It's insane.
So it's probably like 50 micros or 5 minis on
Yeah.
a 25K?
Because they want you to just fucking buy, like,
Right,
they want you to be
blow
like,
it,
oh,
yeah.
look at all this size, and then just
Yeah.
fucking blow it in a minute.
True.
Hi, Raven, how are you?
Yeah. Because what, 25K?
How's your trading journey been going since Mike stopped streaming?
Yeah, the buffer's 1,500, yeah. So it's... So what? You have to make 21. Like, so instead of reaching the buffer, you could get a $500 payout out of them. So it's like, okay. Once you get to 2,100, you can take out 500
Like
instead of...
The ratios just don't make sense for Apex accounts.
No. You would think that it would get better as it gets more
You
expensive and
spend
the
more,
accounts get bigger, but it doesn't.
but you're like, oh, my profit target for a 300K account is 20,000, but my stop loss is 9,000. You're like,
Yeah.
how does that make any sense? But then,
The 25K is like a fucking 1,500 to 1,500 or whatever it is.
yeah, it's like a 1-to-1
Yeah.
compared to like a 2-to-1.
I'm in shorts right now at 97. Let's hope it's not a BE. I hope it is a BE because I want to get in before it fully dumps forever. I'm sorry, this is mean. Now it's going right up to it. Is this like your first trade in the past like 2 weeks, AJ? I feel like you said
What,
you didn't
you
take
haven't
any
been
trades.
trading?
But he said he was looking at the charts. He just like wasn't taking trades or something. ES pushing lower, Nvidia pushing higher.
Has anyone gotten payouts since?
I gotta trade on Friday. I got you. I didn't trade all last week besides Friday. I got you. Who is that? Who is Ryan Steve? I know I've seen the profile picture, but it doesn't show your username anymore. I forget. It's been too long. And I have brain damage. Oh man. Take me by the hand, lead me to the light. Well, looks like that's a break even. On Discord backtesting server? Oh, Shinobi. Oh, yeah, I have seen that before. How you doing? Yep. Does that mean you're done, AJ, or is that it? Nice looking short though. Target clean. Yeah. Yeah. I want shorts down to somewhere. I just don't know where yet, depending on where this is. Fuck. Don't you guys go B after taking partial profits? I don't really ever take partial profits. Oh, Interbank, how we doing? Life? You know. Depressing. The usual. When you suck at trading, it just makes everything worse. Like, I don't know how people who don't have payouts don't kill themselves, because I have good amount of proof, and boy, am I ready to end it all. Ugh. See if we get a push back up here. 4 micros right now. I'm interested in shorts here. Maybe if we come up one more time before we dump down to this 30 level, but I don't know if we're going to. We might just push down right here. I'm hoping we don't, but it's certainly looking like it. Yeah, I don't think we're getting it. It looks like she's dumping.
I probably should. I don't know. Should have got in at like 300. So I was like saying it to myself.
Yeah, we kind of wanted it, but what's the consistency rule you can even get, Raven? If you made $1,200, or I guess what on 100K you have to make how much? 6K. Oh yeah, so damn, you have to make 6K just to get to the buffer, and then you have to make more after that. That just sounds like a fucking hassle. 50 points, easy money. ES took out the low. $3K? No, it's not 3K. Is it 3K? Or no, maybe it's 4K. Because it's the drawdown, that is the buffer. Yeah, AJ, you kind of got fucked there. What was your target? The 30s? Yeah, 30. Yeah. And what you? So what you got short at the 27s? You said. Did you get short on the push down, or did you get short on the pull back up? Must have been the pull back up. So you get short here. And then stop as soon as we take out that low. Or break even as soon as we take out that low. I do like the one Flag Poppy said of like giving it one chance for break even. I feel like it does happen a lot. This is like it's like oh, and we pull back to like where a possible entry would be, and then it's like and then you push down and you pull back to where a possible entry would be, then you push down and you pull back to where a possible entry would be. So do we just do it again? Who knows? But like especially when you're just stair stepping down like this. Short of that 06 on 942 candle. Okay. That is something I haven't really experimented with that I kind of can now that I'm trading micros, because before it was like one mini, so it's like you're either in or you're out. But when you're trading micros, you can do a little bit more, but I don't know if I want to. Like on Friday, I took this trade in my cash account. I just took it with 4 micros. I took 2 off here at like the 5-minute EMA, and then I held 2 more for the 15-minute EMA, and that ended up working out decent. But and there's your 30s touch. Oh man. Do we go all the way down to the 130s here? Why am I so cool? I haven't even slept yet today.
Really? You stayed up all night?
Yeah. I don't know. I hate laying in bed when I'm not, and then like not falling asleep within 20 minutes. So then I just get up and then.
Yeah, like I get that, but I'm just surprised. You didn't seem like you were doing much when I got off.
I wasn't. I didn't do much after that either. I played some games of CS:GO. Worked on my puzzle a little bit. Went to bed. Was watching some YouTube. And then it just gets to like 6:30 in the morning where you gotta like make the executive decision if you're just gonna stay up or not. GeoGuessr? No, I hate GeoGuessr. If there's not a flag, I can't tell you where we are. Damn, we're really just gonna fucking. God damn it. God damn it. We got a fuck ton of news to come out tomorrow. So I don't know if we. Actually, I was gonna say I don't know if we chop, but realistically, we already made a move. Damn, are we really just gonna keep flushing all the way down here? Oh, you're killing my vibe, man. Well, next target is the 130s. What a beautiful stair-step pattern down. No. Joel, I can't believe you said you wanted to get long above the 400s. I hope you didn't. Three 17s. It's like the same. Do you have any Apex accounts, Johnny, or no?
No.
Are you getting any or no?
I may. When's the deal end?
I think it's Tuesday night.
Okay.
I kind of just want to be funded up going into the new year.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, even now, I guess I'm not terrible. I got the 5 Mife into futures, the 3 alphas, and now it'll be 11 Apex accounts with these 6 I just passed. So what is that? 11, 16, 19? Well, that's plenty, but I'll probably give like one more run at it I'll probably try to just trade like 9 tomorrow and see if I can pass them. Oh yeah, that's what it is. It's lifetime PA fees, 25k, 50k, 100k, or $65, and then 150, 250, 300 are $125. Bro, don't do this to me. This is so gay. Why? Is this going to be a day where we absolutely dump? It's starting to look like it. At this point, we're going to have a pullback at least to like 15-minute range in the VWAP you don't want to enter. Even start considering an entry to go short. Bro, I just had to lock my card because someone tried to rob me and take $55. I'm feeling bad for the person who tried to take the money because I only had 30 cents in that bank account. Wait, how does that even work? You try to take $55 out of like an ATM, or you try to... to take $55, like he tried to purchase something that was $55. And how do you have a bank account with 30 cents in it? I think I could kill myself. That sounds terrible. How do they even let you keep a bank account open if you have 30 cents in it? I thought you needed like a minimum of $100 or something.
I think so.
That's what I thought. I've overcharged my card like once before, and I knew I was gonna do it. I just wanted to see what would happen. I was pumping gas. I went to go pump gas, and I was like, "Oh, I know I have no money left on my card that I haven't transferred it over to my checking." So I was like, "Let me just see if it will stop midway through, or if it'll let me pump my gas." And then it'll let me pump my gas, and I just got a text. And it's like, "You overdrafted." So, he tried to buy something on Target at Minnesota. That is not how you spell Minnesota. It's you big. That's literally the fattest way I've ever seen to spell Minnesota with actual soda.
Mini soda.
Yeah, that's.
It's a mini.
I really hope that was. Oh god, where's my money in my Capital One account? Oh, okay, but still, I'm surprised they even let you keep
I don't
the
think
bank account
I think
open
Minnesota's a thing, not like
to buy
actual
something
Minnesota. I don't think she's trying to say Minnesota, but that's kind of funny.
on Target at Minnesota. I don't know. She typed it weird. Minnesota? Is Minnesota like a restaurant? Or like a not like a restaurant, but like a like you're not talking about the state Minnesota, right? Good. All right, we need to pull back to like the 80s here. You were trying? No, I'm really trying to spell the state. Oh my god, you have Down syndrome and you're fat. Jesus Christ. You thought Minnesota was spelled with a D?
That's a crazy one. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's a rough one. I'm on like day 20 something of no caffeine, and man, do I miss it. I miss the lug because I was gonna have a coffee, and I'm like, I can't. It's just more of the convenience. But like, what do you want to drink when you get up in the morning? You don't want to drink a water. It's so boring. Don't tell me we keep pushing down here. Okay, so milk. Now, milk is for toddlers. Nobody drinks milk past the age of like 9.
Talking about.
Dude.
I drink milk literally every day.
Yeah, you're
I
also
probably
a
drink-
toddler.
I probably drink a gallon of milk by myself a week
Why?
because it tastes good.
No, milk's fucking useless.
It's like you're the only one who doesn't drink milk.
Who fucking drinks milk straight up? Literally, that was
Milk's
that's,
way
that's,
better than water.
That's what you do when you're a child. No. Probably would have shorted, but this is choppy. This is not choppy. We're fucking dumping straight down.
Yeah. I was just looking for shorts all day, and then we started stair stepping too much, or not stair stepping, and then I just never got in. And
Well, see, AJ's on my side. My chicken is.
yeah, you guys are
literally
weirdos.
No, drinking milk as a 25-year-old man is weird.
delicious.
Yeah, you're probably still drinking out of your mother's teat too, you fucking homo. Dude, don't tell me we push right down through this, take out the 130s and go lower from here. Don't you dare. Well, we're really going to? What are we doing? That's our pullback? We have a one fucking candle pullback?
I'm at the point where I don't want to get long down here.
Get long down here? Get short down here?
Oh, let's get short down here.
Well, I want to pull back to like the opening range low. And then like some bear flag type of setup from there to go short, but we got the VWAP up there. Opening range low, the 5-minute EMA, the 15-minute EMA. But instead, we're being gay. Oh, man. Nothing like waiting all weekend to come into trade, to have the direction right, watch it dump 200 points, and not take any trades. Ugh. Why are you still trading? Why aren't you up? No, dude, those were evals. You thought I was trading like that with a regular account? No. I'm green on my evals. But most things, I haven't taken a trade in. I just passed 6 more and I had 5, so that's 11. And then I have 5 buy footed futures is 16, and then I have 3 alpha futures is 19. Ugh. Bruh. Can we pull back? This PS pissed me off too. Considering I wanted to short here. And then I really wanted to short here. Once we got back below the VWAP. I was literally just looking for like one more like semi push up or something. Oh, we got nothing. And now I'm gonna watch this hit the 130s. You think if we break through these 130s, we absolutely dump? Down to like these 930s here. This pivot point, this little support. Kind of think we do. Kind of think we're just going to start absolutely falling through the floor here. But I'm getting to the point where I don't want to short way down here. I'd want to wait for us to pull back like over 100 points. So at this point, I'm more likely taking like a counter trend long trade to like get back up there. You think it's done after taking these lows? Yeah, but like these like the overnight lows, or do you think I'm gonna come down and sweep Friday's lows too? What we do on ES? On ES, we're still pushing to. Yeah, dude. I think. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling that we're gonna start fucking dumping like a motherfucker. If we take out these, if we take out this low, if we take out Friday's low, we're fucking falling through the floor. That's my guess.
If I didn't get short at all those other points, why would I get short down here?
If anything, I'm looking for a long back up to a level
That's
where
what
I'd want to short.
for.
The 5-minute EMA is up at the 82s. Friday, go on daily chart. Oh, brother, 12. Here we go. What do I gotta see? Yeah, look at that. We're coming down here, baby. Coming down to this fucking bad boy here. This wick. The 600s. Here we go. This thing zoom out a little, you'll see it's clear Friday getting taken, that's all. No, I agree with you, Friday's getting taken. I think fucking we're dumping down to here. I wanted these shorts from the beginning. That's what, I think we take this out and we just fucking start falling through the floor. I don't know. I hope not, because I'm going to miss the whole move if that's the case, because I can't get short down here. But I couldn't go high because we were up already during London and Asia sessions today. Yeah. The only way I was going to be able to go long was this if we came down and like trapped really hard at open, like did one of those really like come down, like sweep out like this low here or something, like just absolutely dump and then just rip up higher off of open or whatever. That was the only way I was going to think we could go long. Oh, that's the overnight low. Fucking final TP. I guess this is a true final TP. Oh, man. Fuck me.
You're just dumping, we're just falling through a cliff.
Is this it? We wicking and leaving it? Like, bottom tick Mike thinks you should just enter now and it's worth a shot at a stop loss. Just been like, okay. Ride that baby up. Up. Dude, all I wanted was this low. All I wanted was the 230s. That's it. It was going to be a nice little 45-point trade. I don't think we did. That's what I'm saying. Like, it just feels like a good place to bottom tick here. But we'll see. Did the IFEG trader take this after a sweep of these lows? Or did they get short off of open here? I mean, they didn't really sweep any highs, but we were just grinding higher. As an IFEG trader, I did not take that. But Mike, you got short off of open too. My evals, yeah.
I know, look at that 15-minute chart that you have up. Just fucking.
Yeah.
Just straight
Like,
dumps.
this is what we need, though. We just need a little. We need to get back above the 1 minute EMA, make a little bull flag, start to break out high, and then I get long and fucking ride this bitch back to like the VWAP or the 5 minute EMA or the opening range low or the 15 minute EMA. So many targets. Fiji traders are game. Most don't know how to trade it. But I still feel like it fucking works most of the time. And I don't even, like, what is the confusing part? It's like, okay, we sweep out a low. It's like some clear and obvious lows you sweep out. And then you fucking, let's see. When you just shuffle through the time frames and try to find an IFEG somewhere. And they're like, okay, 3-bit IFEG. When that gets inversed, I go, and then I target the highs, and then it works. Bro, this is killing me. Here we go. Are we going to wick, or are we going to absolutely dump? I thought we would absolutely dump if we came down here, but... You think you were just lucky today? How come? Just because you kind of like shorted it after we were pumping? I mean, a lot of times it does. Like, it is the case. It's like you pump during the pre-market and then you dump during the New York session, or you dump during the London session and then you pump during the... I knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew it. I said it. I said it. But that's still, I think it's still worth a shot to go long there. Like, I was thinking about doing a long there in my cash account just to maybe catch bottom, but I knew if we hit through this, we were just going to absolutely dump. How about now, Johnny? You want to get short down here?
No. I'll probably be buying along if it gives me one.
Nothing like wanting to short and then it dumps 300 points and you never get in. Like 10K around there? I don't actually know the exact balance right now, but something around there. Like, what's the next target? Don't put another 400 points today? I don't think so. Maybe like the 930 funds are here. I thought you had 40K. Why? Where did you get that number from?
So I don't think you. Oh well, maybe you're talking. She's talking about your Robinhood account.
Oh. Yeah, that has like 40K in it. That's not. When I say like my cash account, I mean like my futures like Trade Evade account. I thank you from selling Bitcoin, and that was your profit. Oh yeah, yeah. No, that's in my like Coinbase account. Or I have like some of my crypto, or it's not. It's just like my profits from crypto. Like half of it is in my Coinbase, and then half of it I brought over like Robinhood. Yeah, half of it. So I had like 60K in there. I took like 30 of it out and put it in Robinhood, but I already had like 10 or 12K in there. And then the other 30K is just still like sitting in like USDC or whatever.
Do you collect interest on that, or like are you making
Yeah.
APY on that?
Yeah, it's like 3% or something. I don't know. I get like
It's like, why would you ever put your money in a CD when you can, even if a CD is 4%, it's like I could just have it make 3%. Realistically, it's not that much different, and
yeah,
I can take it out whenever I want, and it still feels like my money.
yeah. I get 3.85% APY.
Yeah. It's like, why would you ever buy a CD for?
I was getting like $45 a day, or not a day, like a week or whatever. Is that what it was? Because I was getting like $6 and like 50 cents a day, but since I took half out, now I'm only getting whatever, like half of that. I'm getting like $3.28 a day on it. Which, if you think about it, it's like a 7 days a week. It's like a Chipotle once a week. You get a free lunch. You get like $20 a week. A little bit more. Like 24, $25 a week. No, a little less, like 22, 23. Yep. Now the idea is just get back above this 1 minute. Create another one of these. Take it to This guy. Something like that. So, we'll see how that plays out. I mean, we've basically had a straight, what is that, 400 point push down with no pullback. 375 point push down. And the biggest pullback we've had from very top, bottom to very top is 70 points. Yeah. And it was one candle. We still fishing in the 2026, trying to get me a blueprint tuner for 200K. That's the dream right there. That's what you got. You just gotta figure. You just gotta make money trading enough where you can split into other ventures that you actually want to do. I'm not saying that you don't want to trade, but like where you can actually put your time into, and like have money from something, and then you can just like fail at something else but you're still making money from trading. Because most people, it's like you do it like the other way. You work something you don't like, and then fail at trading until you can make trading work. But then it's like once you make trading work, which we didn't do that because we just quit our job right away. But I mean, I guess it was kind of the same thing because we worked for years or whatever to save up and then do it. But then it just like becomes a reverse where it's like, okay, trading is making me money, and then I try this other thing that I'm actually passionate about, and I lose money at that instead. Is this going to be like the IFVG of the century after we sweep out these big ass lows? No, it's mid. How come? Like what makes this mid? We sweep out clear and obvious lows and make a giant fair value gap? Even on like the 5 minute? Even on like the 15 minute? Look at all these gaps on the 15 minute. I don't know if that's more common on the bigger time frames or not. This is just gonna fucking rip with no flag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 minute gap have to close. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I've never seen anybody use the 4 minute chart, but I mean, it looks like they're going to. Everything.
4 minute chart?
Yeah, I've never seen anybody use a 4 minute chart. Like, what? The 1 minute chart hasn't closed.
I barely even see people use the 3 minute. It's usually like 1, 2, 5, 15, 30.
Yeah. 1 hour, 4 hour. Daily, weekly. I use the 1, 3, and 5. Yeah. 3 minute is goated. Really? I don't.
Like the 2 is more common than the 3.
Yeah, I think so too. I think the 2 is for people who like want to trade on the 1 but just like get too panicky, so they like try to slow it down and trade on the 2. But then the 3 maybe feels a little bit too slow. And I'm just the goober who trades on the 1 and then gets wicked out and then cries about it. Look at that. Look at the disparity. 3 minute is goated. Yeah, the 3 is the goat. 3 is buns. 1 is my baby. What are we thinking here? I'm thinking of a fucking long. Just need a little something to happen. Is that 5 minutes? 5 minutes up here. Yeah, that is true. You have to wait 3 minutes to candle to print. Too much waiting. Yeah, you only get like, what is that? 30 candles per session. Or I would, because I trade for an hour and a half. Is that right? 30 candles, yeah. Or 35 candles. I keep fucking scrolling down whenever I switch over to Ninja Trader because all we did was dump. See, this is right where old Mike would get trapped into a short here. Like, oh, we're breaking this low here. Enter short. But no, we're so overdue for a pullback that I'm not going to fall for it, and I'm going to take it long. ES looks better than NQ.
Or order filled.
Alrighty. I'm giving it a stab.
Yep, I want to see it at least break the top though.
And we're in. Let's see what happens.
I want to get in above the 130s.
Let's watch if we tapped into any conditions or if we're trending. Otherwise, I'm getting my dopamine watching the one. What did you say, Johnny?
My entry was like the 130s.
123. 130s. Did we even hit the 130s?
Oh, like that's where I want my entry to be. I
Oh.
didn't get in yet. Which is nice because I didn't get stuck in that fucking dump.
Yeah, I'm not loving it right now, but we'll see. Uh-oh.
It is spaghetti-o.
I'm gonna...
Come on. Come on.
Not looking good.
Not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy I didn't get in there.
Dude, I'm a fucking baller for now. We'll see. I was literally gonna get stopped out, and I moved my stop loss down. Because I was like, oh, I'll give it the full 50 points or whatever, and not just the low. So I dragged it away from the low and gave it my full 50 points, which would be like a $300 stop. And literally, as I was moving it, I clicked, and then it hit through where my stop would be, and now we're back up to that EMA. It just wanted to wick me out. It was gonna get me. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, this looks good now. I'd be happy if I was trying to enter now.
Okay, I'm in now. Yeah. I got in on that EMA break.
What do you mean, see, Raven? If I didn't move anything, I would be out of the trade right now. Or actually, I'd be getting right back in right now to try to make my money back, pretty much. It's just, it knows. You don't think my take profit makes sense? It's okay. Come on, baby. Get through this bitch. I'd have my stop at the bottom of the low with that long hammer. Well, it's not what I accounted for in my risk. So, we're just going to have to deal with it. Which accounts are active on this train? That's, it's all my what is it? So, 13, 5 my funded futures, 5, 5 Apex, and 3 Alpha futures. This would be about my 1-to-1 to hit right now. I think I would have been a tick off of my 1-to-1. Yep. That's my 1-to-1. My 5 minute.
I got out at the 60s.
5 minute EMA's at the 210s now. Now we just let it do its job on break even because we are in a counter trend trade, so I'm more likely to go break even early. And now we sit here and we watch it pull all the way back to my entry and make me set, right? Isn't that the next step?
Felt like a nice little easy, like $300 trade.
I need 20 points. Dude, I told you that inverse fair value gap was golden, AJ. Guy doesn't know shit.
Well, it's like you are dumping so much. We need to pull back eventually. There's got to be some sort
like
of
we dump
pullback.
for so much, and then like the bottom of the dump is us just sweeping out the lows. Like it.
Yeah.
Just seems like it was.
Seemed too free.
Yeah. Two tens, baby. Come on. Show me the two tens. This is when you
You
just
won't
want to
get like that.
close. You really do, but just gonna hold it. Can't lose, so. This is like I feel more fearful right now than I do when I was in so much drawdown. Just like now it's like I got more money to lose than I was going to lose if I hit the stop out, you know what I mean? Like I was only going to lose $300 if I hit the stop loss, but I was up over $400, so now it's $400 that I'm losing, even though I'm not losing it, but
I just like going for like you like to hold for like way bigger ranges. I'm fine taking like that high at like the 60s. I get my initial push and that's all I want.
yeah, I'm just going to let it be. We'll see. We'll see. I can't lose, so I shouldn't touch it. I should just let it do its thing. My plan was the 5-minute EMA. Let's see if we get there. Ever since I switched to continuation, I stopped seeing the reversal pattern, and now any reversal scares me, I guess. They should really stop being gay. It's really diddling me here.
Term.
What?
Really diddling me.
It is. Oh, shit. Here we go. Here we go. Yep.
It's a dump.
Stop filled.
Break even.
That was a bad dump.
I was hoping the 1 minute would EMA would catch it. But I know this is gonna go back up. I don't know, but I feel like it normally does this when it's about to retrace the move. It like pulls all the way back, and then this one will just fucking. But we'll see. Oh, it's just so hard, so hard. At least I didn't lose money. Yeah. Oh, man. It sucks. The thing is, the past like 3 trades I've taken though, I've benefited from not touching it. Like this was my long, I didn't touch, it was good. This was the short I took. I took it off at like this low right here. Or whatever it is, yeah. Didn't touch it, worked out good. Day before that, took it off at that low, worked out good. It's just not gonna happen every time, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm supposed to use discretion up there and be like, okay, we're not breaking through, or if I'm supposed to, because like it's hard to use logical discretion and not just like fear of being like, well, we're up here, we're so close, I should just drag my stop to this low or whatever. Or like, do I sit here and logically be like, okay, if we make this candle after a little pullback, should we go? I mean, not necessarily. It's like ideally I wait to go break even. But I don't want to wait to go break even on a trend, on a counter trend trade. So it's like once we push up high enough, it's. Oh, man. price going to sweep liquidity? Already did, no? I mean, isn't that where it's always going, I guess? Is that what the kids say? God, those ones are just so demoralizing.
Yeah. You're like, I should have won, but
That's like, is that just part of the process and I just have to be okay with these? I mean, I was up 74 points. I needed 87. So what is that? 13 points. Just close. But like I said, if I did it the other days, I probably would have closed out for a bunch of points anyways, so I would have closed out early. That one flushed right to it, but did this one? This one kind of did too. Oh, man. Well, that's disappointing, but alrighty, we'll be back tomorrow. I'm probably gonna. I actually might get on it. I doubt I'm gonna stream it, but I might get on at 8:30. Try to pass some evals because we have a bunch of news that comes out at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. So I might try to pass. Well, I have like 9 more Apex accounts I can pass. No, my dad's just washing his hands. We're doing something in the sink upstairs. I don't know why I didn't close the door. But let's see. Let's see if this goes back up after coming right down to my break even. But alrighty, I'll be back tomorrow. Peace out.
peace out, guys.